Bandana motherfucking Boogie.
Man, you already know what time it is, man.
He's always living. It's Roger.
Roger heard in the building.
The Lit Brothers.
I ain't a battle rapper. I battle rappers, make them look bad as rappers. You see the media clock, sweet bitch, man. Tell this shit, man. Bitch. It's poppin', man.
What's going on, baby, man? I heard you was supposed to battle Nuborn today, man.
Yeah, today, man. This little bird-ass, midget, little shit-faced motherfucker backed out, man.
Oh.
Niggas be scared, man. I swear to God, man. All these niggas that got a little name, these niggas be scary to death, man. These niggas easy to prep for me. And they say I be kicking niggas' ass without trying. Lottie Boom backed out, man. On the next nigga, it ain't nothing new, man. Niggas be scared because he about to battle. Niggas will tell you, oh, I got shit going on outside of battle rap, but he gonna battle some next nigga next week. So you know what it is. He's gonna take that L for me because my name ain't with. I'm saying up there, I'm saying, but there's whispers going on.
There's whispers going on, Nuborn, you have.
That's why they cut that check. They cut that check to me too. You feel me? You fucking up my paper. I might have to go there.
So tell me, man, who you really want, man?
Man, I want a nigga who not gonna back out, man. You feel me? Who gonna do my shit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, he's gonna get his ass kicked, you know what I'm saying? But anybody can catch it, my nigga. Anybody can catch it. That shit ain't nothing new. Like, I be kicking niggas' ass without trying, man. Drinks on deck. Regular shit, man.
Regular shit.
Yeah, man. You already know what time it is, man.
So what you working on now, man? Besides the battle?
Besides battle, like I said, I'm battle rapper, you know what I mean? I got Alcohol Poisonous out right now. Got the EP I'm about to fucking drop in a couple months, you know what I mean? Video's gonna be popping. I mean, the man behind the camera, we gonna work too, you feel me?
Definitely.
Know what time it is, man.
Definitely.
BX shit, man. You feel me?
So we gonna get back to this Queen of the Ring battle.
I came to watch, you know what I mean? Make sure y'all go look at that drink and fucking battle rap bitch. You know what I'm YouTube, man. I'm going to watch some bitch, battle rap bitches, and I definitely fuck. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the ladies and all that. I'm about to get poppin'. Shout out to Bull Street Rain too. You feel me? Definitely.
Let's go.
I came to see Fendi, I came to see Mulatto, I came to see, shout out to Classy, she nice. And we got good battles popping off. That shit about to start right now, so we about to get it popping.
Let's get it.
We're gonna come back with some bars later.
Oh yes, oh yes.
I might give you a exclusive what the Bones gonna catch a little bit.
Let's get it.
You already know what time it is, nigga.
Bandana Boogie.
Yes, sir.
Man.